Morning, Kerry. So, just wanted to take a few minutes to go in, look at what's going on with the storm right now. This is the radar for the Northeast, obviously. Um, we have our system pushing through. It's being enhanced as you see the precip. The shield is growing as you have the warmer air aloft crossing over the cold air below it. There's a little more warmer air in some of the layers of the atmosphere that the Euro missed for sure. The GFS, I think, picked up a little bit of it. I think that's what John, well, when we talked last night, that's what John was bringing up, and I was talking to you about it. So I think, heavier precip will start in about an hour or so. Let me just pull up a few images I wanted to share. So here's that warm air aloft that I spoke about that is wanting to bring in some more of that sleet and frozen precip than the snow. And I still think you'll get, that mixed bag. I think the GFS was pretty spot on with this, but the Euro was definitely too south, which seems to be the sort of, I guess, the theme of it for almost the entire season. I know I sent this to you via phone. I just wanted to blow it up a little bit. I think tonight, when there's a chance for rain to enter the storm, I think below this line, you'd be I'd be more certain to say that below that line, you're going to probably see a little bit of rain out of the system. North of it, you'd be safe. And again, you could have that mixing issue above the line, but I don't think you'd be seeing the rain in Manhattan and north of Newark. I wanted to create a little bit of a timeline. So, precip's entering the area now. Should be pretty widespread in the next hour and a half. I think between 2 and 3 o'clock, we're going to start seeing a real fight between precip types with that sleet moving into northern New Jersey and possibly the city areas. A mix of snow and sleet will continue throughout the evening. Then at around 7 or 11 o'clock through 11 o'clock is that time where I think the rain can develop on Long Island, Staten Island, that sort of area. I think would be sort of the line there. And then overnight, there's a transition back to snow. The battle line is there, sort of pretty much where this line is. I think, north of that line, you'd be going back to snow for sure. And south of it is still going to be messy. Still, going to go to bat with the numbers. 3 would be the absolute, bullish jackpot sort of thing. And I don't think it's out of the realm to think that someone might get that in the area. But as we said, I think, you're looking at an inch and, just some slickness as well. And then further down the line, I know we just discussed this a little bit. These are those temps that are going to be setting up for the weekend into early next week. And I know that Monday, Tuesday is that window for the storm. So this is the real feel for Saturday morning, like 8 o'clock-ish, and we have a lot of negative teens here. It's definitely some crazy. So the cold air is there, and in the other video you'll see the opportunity for the precip. NOAA never puts out a probability of 3 inches or greater of snow 7 days out, and they have. So that's also a good sign. So things are coming together there. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update here. I'll post this onto your wall, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.